The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. Yo, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, 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 the cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. What? She's on fire. She's on fire. Hey, she's on fire. The cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot. The cook is hot. Ooh, she's on fire. Hey, she's
few moments later.
What's up, Homeylu's, homies, homeboys, make some noise. Hey, homegirls, make some noise. Y'all know that the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, the cook is hot, the cook is hot. Hey, 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 she's on fire. She's on fire. How are you guys doing today? This is a plug-in. Whenever I say it's a plug-in, it's a video that I did. I was in the mood to do it. It didn't necessarily go with something that I cooked that day. It's a plug-in. I plugged it in somewhere. Okay? So this video is just a little small chit-chat, cooking like you up in Homeylu's kitchen. We just sit around, we just chit-chat a little bit, honey. So somebody's asking me on Facebook, messaged me, and it was a legit question. It's like, Homeylu, do you ever filter your pictures? I don't filter all of them. I have a soft setting on the camera, and yes, I do filter pictures. I have done it, and I will do it. Sometimes, and sometimes, you know what? I'm just like, you know what? Y'all better get into these stretch marks in the cellulite, honey. I ain't in the mood. Like, for real. So you have to be comfortable enough with yourself, with makeup, without makeup. Pluck your eyelashes off sometimes, honey. Just keep it real with yourself. And hopefully you find someone who will accept and love you for that. Because if you don't, I mean, like, seriously, you don't need to be in a relationship. That's a shallow relationship. I had a friend that told me she would let her man go to sleep first and she'd take off her makeup. Then she got up earlier than him to put some makeup on. Now that's just too damn shallow. Like, seriously, that relationship is not based on anything but a facade. People need to see the real you. Now, one of the things I can say, like, what I love about a lot of the YouTubers who do makeup, because I do watch and follow a lot of different ones for different things, what I like about them is when they show you their raw face without that makeup on. Just raw. Blemishes, the whole nine. Then they do like a straight transformation. Now, if you already cute and you don't have to do that much, I'm not watching your makeup video, honey. And not saying that the ones who did all of that are ugly. I'm just saying that they're showing you how they look without makeup before, with the blemishes, how to cover them. And then they're just like, might be plain Jane like me. I think without makeup, I'm just a plain Jane. I really thank God I don't have any acne. I've never had any. I think I'm blessed to not have, I've never had acne in my life. I have super duper duper dry A skin, and people with super dry skin, they don't really get acne. It usually comes on oily skin, but I'm gonna tell you what we do get, we get ashy. Okay? I get ashy. Let me tell you something, my skin drinks up some lotion, honey. I have to start using like Vaseline, and you know Vaseline attracts dust, so that's not good. And sometimes moisturizers, different things. Try to find what works on my dry, ashy skin. So if you know, let me know down in the comment section for the ashy girls. Holla at your girl, okay? So somebody asked me, do you ever filter your body? I would say I filter some things on the body. I have never like did like that Photoshop, try to make my like waist look smaller, trying you see the lines curving and stuff like that. All that. You're doing the most. That looks silly. Like, if you're gonna do that, stand against a plain, solid white wall. Girl, we seen the line curving. Okay? I don't have a small waist, but I do have a flat stomach. I do exercise, you know what I'm saying? I cook a lot of fattening foods. I have to exercise
to burn this stuff. So what do I filter? I'm gonna tell you, sometimes it's like I'm filtering, make the skin look all smooth, make the legs look all smooth. And sometimes I'm just like, you know what? Get into these stretch marks and get into this cellulite, honey. Let's just keep it 100. Because sometimes that's just how you be feeling, like, okay? Cellulite, stretch marks, honey. These are the beauty marks that my little monsters gave me, and I'm going to celebrate them. And sometimes you just, filter them out. So yeah, I keep it 100. We all use these filters, some of us, and some don't. And either way, it's all good. It's all good, honey. It's all good. I'm not judging. No judgment over here. Just saying. And y'all, comment down below if you sometimes feel like, you know what? Y'all better get into this cellulite and these stretch marks, child. Pluck them eyelashes off, honey. Get into it, honey. Get into it. Okay? So, whatever you do, there's no judgment zone over here. I love to see people trying to better, improve their looks. But don't get so caught up into it until somebody can't recognize you. Like, child, who is that? Girl, you filtered the hell out your face. I didn't even know that was you. Okay. Do you? At the end, do you, child? I'm just gonna shut up right now. All right. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. I'm in a good mood today.